Welcome to the inspection at 36 Scott Street in Vermont. My name's Steve from Aussie Property, and here we have a very nice single-story home built circa 1876, if I understand that correctly. Like I say, it's a single-story. It's a block effect weatherboard home with a colour-bond roof that has been updated probably in the last 15 or so years, but the building inspection will pick up that. Now, adjacent to the property on the right-hand side, we have tandem parking, and with a block paved driveway, electric gates to the front. I have not tested, the agent didn't have the entry fob, so that just needs to be obviously double checked upon. The front gardens are fairly low maintenance. The entrance, so the front area is fully enclosed with a timber low-level fence, which appears to be in good order. Access down the side of the property on the left-hand side with a secure lock gate, and the front veranda certainly seems in good repair. All the timbers look solid, no defects to the actual paintwork. Now, moving inside, we've got to the left and to the right, we have the master bedroom and the first bedroom, and just above there you can see the larger entrance space into the storage area, which we'll look at shortly. Door into the living area. Starting in the master, plenty of space for a big double bed. I think this here is a queen size bed. You can see nice big windows, picture rail, high ceilings throughout the original part of the home, and we also have full width fitted robes, providing heaps of space for hanging, storage, shelves above, etc. As you can see, high level storage shelf, plenty of space for units and hanging rails also. It is a particular feature across the home, good storage facilities throughout. Further to the room is a ducted heating vent and a door into ensuite, featuring double basins with good water pressure. The walls are half tiled. No defects to any of the ceramics, and also a heated a vent there, ducted heating vent. No defects to walls, ceiling, or any tiles. Good water pressure, and certainly none of the timbers beneath are affected by any swelling, so I assume they are extremely watertight, which is good. Good extraction from the ventilation, which is something that we'll closely monitor throughout the management of the property. It's very important for obviously the build up of mold, and like I say, it's one of our big areas of management is making sure that all silicons, extractor units are all fully effective. Water will do a lot of damage, so it's very common. We'll always check the water pressure here. As you can see, it's good pressure, and once again the cabinetry beneath is solid with no defects as one would expect. Moving across the hallway and into bedroom 2, another spacious room, dual aspect with decorative fireplace and bay window. Some nice period features here, picture rails, high ceilings, etc. And as you can see there, just in the corner is a ducted heating vent. Into the living room, just through the hallway. Again, high ceilings, immaculately presented with no obvious defects to walls, floor or ceiling. Split system here, which the agent informs me has been serviced in the last couple of years. I understand Martin is following that up. Open plan, wide opening into the meals area. And returning back to the fireplace here, now this one is again decorative, but it does have a little gas element inside this one to create a flame. So as you can see, doorway there back into the front entrance lobby. Joining the meals area, we have a separate study, dual aspects. That's out into the covered alfresco, and also now this is into the rear garden westerly aspect, so there's going to be plenty of afternoon sun here. Now moving back across to the other side of the home, there's an inner hallway providing access to the family bathroom and further storage, and also walkway into kitchen with tiled floor. Big range oven, 900 range oven with 6 gas burner, extractor above. Good range of cabinetry, all in good condition, inspected every single one, no defects to note. Timber work surfaces there, nice big sash windows. I didn't test them, but certainly in first class condition. Again, good water pressure with a water filter system adjoining. Again, no defects or any signs of swelling to the timbers beneath. Here we have the water filtration system. Integrated dishwasher for a good range of drawers. Again, no defects. It's actually a laminate timber effect bench top, and a huge walk-in pantry, which is very useful, triggered with a automatic light inside. Heaps of storage options here. And just stepping back here to give you some scales of the space. Again, high ceilings, no defects whatsoever to note. Plenty of space here for an island or additional units, etc., as per requirements. And here we have one of the original open stoves here, original. I think the agent mentioned that this could remain or be removed, so that's just a note for Martin. And as you can see here, here's the connecting inner hallway, providing access to the bathroom. Further storage with ventilation for the return of the gas ducted heating system, as we can see just here. Again, some excellent storage options. Door into family bathroom, tiled flooring, partially tiled walls. Some good natural light coming through here. Slight angle to the ceiling. This, I believe, is part of an extension. That needs to be confirmed, but huge big mirror with vanity basin. Again, no defects to any of the ceramics and good water pressure. Beneath, no defects to cabinetry, all in good order. Roll edge laminate surfaces. And here we are. Here's a good example of how waterproof, how Loctite all the corners are, where water will meet timber. That's something that we're going to closely monitor throughout the life of the property, throughout the management. Good generous shower cubicle. Again, I've just tested the extraction there, which is good. No obvious signs of any mold or residue buildup. And as mentioned, no defects to any of the ceramics in here. Stepping down into the retreat to the right, access into the rear garden and covered al fresco. Roller blinds to each of the windows and doors here, and fly screens to the retractable windows and door access points. Tiled flooring. Now, just one little note here, that there is a slight bit of give on this floor as I walk through, and a very slight little minor cracking noises. So I will expect at some point that this grout, this is again another area that we just need to watch throughout the management processes, just making sure that flooring does remain, the grout does remain intact. Adjoining this area, we have the laundry, again with heaps of storage options, extractor above the sink basin that does also have great water pressure. Again, all of the water, the seal points here are solid, so there's going to be no leakages from water, and obviously here, as you can see, the timbers are all solid. Also, space and provisions for washing machine and wall-mounted dryer adjacent the basin. Here we are, just some of the adjoining units, some of its adjoining cabinetry. And also this very useful drying room, ducted heating vent here and hanging rail above. Here's a good view here outside into the rear garden covered al fresco. Now across this is the rear bedroom here, so again view out to garden, dual aspect split system up here, presses on the external wall. We'll look at that as we go around. Timber clad walls, and again fly screen to window, all in good working order, and again double built fitted robe, hanging and storage space. And stepping into the final bedroom, bedroom 4, reasonable size single room, ducted heating, carpet in very good order as it is throughout the entire home. Again, timber clad walls and ceiling. Single built-in robe on the right here, and just to give you an aspect here, this is a southerly direction now looking across the adjoining property. This evergreen hedge will provide some, I think it's been trimmed back recently, but it does provide a lot of privacy to this area of the home, to this bedroom, and like I say, fitted robe with hanging storage options. So yeah, thanks for watching. This concludes the internal inspection. Thank you.